Goa government on Wednesday announced Goa Young Innovators Award 2024-25 for the school students to instill the spirit of creativity at the early age. Director of Science, Technology and Waste Management Ankit Yadav told reporters that the awards will be given in two different categories for the students of class 8 to 9 and class 5th to 7th. He said that the awards are instituted by Goa State Innovation Council under the Department of Science, Technology and Waste Management.
Today we had officially launched the 24-25 edition of the Goa Young Innovators Award. This is an award which aims to inspire the students to apply for innovation in various fields. There are two categories of the awards. One is for students from 5th to 7th standard and the other is for the students from 5th to 7th and 8th to 9th. Now the last date to apply for this exam is 28th February. So roughly today's 5th, or 2 weeks time is there. I would request all the schools and all the principals, teachers to encourage their students to apply for this exam, and after that they will be scrutinized and the result will be declared in March. And for each award there are 3 categories and there's a cash prizes also with the award which will help and support the innovators.
How this award will benefit innovation in the state?
So this award will primarily help them to improve their project. It can be through the Goa Innovation Council. It can be taken forward. We can help them in getting incubation industry partnerships and promoting the innovation, so that the project that has been conceptualized by the students can develop into a workable, realistic, implementable model.
Chairman of Goa State Innovation Council, Jose Manuel Noronha, said that the less number of patenting applied in India is a cause of concern.
For the most populous country right now in the world, our patenting requires a lot of work to be done. Like for example, China has got 1.6 patents filed annually, 1.6 million patents. India just barely 50,000. So it is a cause of concern that we have to up it up. Now to do that, a lot of steps will be taken. First, a step like this, perhaps in every state we can do. Then it will help us to get more patents that will come through. The second thing is that, like I said, in education levels, the education has to be also strengthened. That the science, technology, engineering, mathematics has to be taught better with application, so that the kids, when they understand science and technology better, their patenting abilities or their innovation abilities also increases. So these are the two strategies that we have to do and ensure that perhaps we'll start getting up to 1 lakh patents every year, then 2 lakhs. It has to reach 1 million. It has to reach 1 million for it to be really, that critical mass has to be built for that.
How many patents are filed in Goa?
Right now, through the Innovation Council, we have about 7. I think that those are also provisional patent. Patenting process takes about 3 to 4 years, whereas the provisional patent, it takes within a year you can get. So provisionally it's there, but then it has to be a full-fledged patent for it to be then tradable or commercialized. So that also takes its time.
Director of Don Bosco College of Engineering, Patorda, Father Kinley De Cruz, said that the students are encouraged to innovate during their education in the engineering college. He said that the students come out with workable solutions at the end of their engineering degree education.
Where we come in is precisely to give the students an opportunity. It's an opportunity to think better, to think out of the box, to come out with out of the box solutions. That is where the role that we play. And everything that we do here on campus, we have the credit courses that are given by the university, and then we are free on Saturdays to have what you call audit courses. So that is our role, where we are trying to give something more. Let's say they are creativity plus, occasions or opportunities to think out of the box, think big, and therefore we take part in a lot of hackathons that take place in Goa, out of Goa. Then even at an India level, there is the idea competition at India level.
Smart India Hackathon.
Smart India Hackathon, where every year we have had 2 batches or 3 batches of our students going for the national hackathon, and making it even to the final stages, where they have to compete with other IIM students and students from the IITs, for that All India hackathon. So that is the role that we play.
You have this Goa State Innovation Council office here, prototype lab in your campus, and you must have given them space after a proper thought to help the engineering students. Is it really working that such kind of facilities are around? Do they get encouraged?
It is working because many of our students are also funded for their final year projects by the Goa State Innovation Council, by the DST. By these two organizations, many of our students are also helped in their final year projects.
And presence of this Goa State Innovation Council prototyping lab here, students are getting a wonderful opportunity to do creative projects. And Goa State Innovation Prototyping Lab really helps. They do their final year projects there. So they get a good opportunity because there are 3D printers and laser cutting machines also available there. So it's a great opportunity for the students. And with regards to this award, Young Innovator Award, I feel that our Goan students are very talented and they should be given an opportunity to showcase their creative projects. And Goa State Innovation Council, I think, has come up with this wonderful idea of, promoting innovation and also appreciating students by conducting this award function. Now that will happen in month of March. So, and I think 28th is the last day for submission of this creative product. So with this, more and more students will come up with good ideas because they will get also motivated with the appreciation that they get. And I feel that they will carry forward from school to college to maybe engineering level, wherein they would be later be able to, participate in higher level hackathons like Smart India Hackathon. Our students have reached at that grand finale level also. So I think this will be a very good opportunity to showcase their creative problem statements, and government gets an opportunity to appreciate their talents.
The idea is actually to catch them young, and watch them grow. And youngsters today are not afraid to take risks.
That's why it is at school level.
At school level, and also they are left free to think. We are settled down with our ideas. Our age group is already settled down with ideas, and we are not able to take much risks. Whereas the youngsters are ready to take any amount of risk. So that is a very good opportunity for them to take risk and then see if they can meet with the challenges not only at state level or national level, even at the international level, and then grow.
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.